Am I? Oh.
Great success. My feet are dry. Yours?
Yep. Which is crazy because I got like my foot all the way in the water.
I thought for sure water had to do.
Timbos. That's why when you said I was pushing it, I was like the rocker because my feet were dry. This is cool. Woohoo!
Check out E.T.'s hand.
I was literally about to say, it's like a seat. Oh, there's wire over it.
It is like a seat though. Go sit on it.
Dad, there's a wire over it. Am I gonna get electrocuted?
No, it ain't an electric wire.
Okay. So, I was walking, I got a little distracted with my phone, and I was walking down here, coming this way, looked up and couldn't find my dad, yelled for him. This man is deaf because I just looked to my right. There he is, just exploring, which is fine, but I'd be lying if I didn't say I had a mini heart attack.